Oh! Can you hear the wind blowing? That's what that wind is. Oh my heck! Kathy, hold up. Okay, we're about ready to make a run for it.
I'm staying here.
The rain, once she starts the meal, she's not stopping for nothing. You want your what?
Carla has the best seat in the house.
Yeah, she's not moving either. You throw me my towel over there. I just need to.
Don't, Lorraine, don't talk with your mouth.
Oh, thank you.
Ree's got to sit down. It's raining like crazy. That stops Terry's calm street. Aborn's sitting down in the middle of the boat. It's the only dry spot on the boat. Lorraine, you need to move or you're getting out of the rain. Okay, we had our salsa. There's the salsa. Hang on, I'm holding this up. Okay, I've eaten a little bit more of a sandwich. Oh, look at that baby blow. We're in the marina, believe it or not. Watch this. Oh. The rain having fun. Okay, I know you can hear me over the wind. But here's Carla, Reed, our captain, Terry, Cook, hey Lorraine, there's Kathy. And we decided to have a picnic on our boat. Can you believe this? We're having fun!
Speak for yourself.
Oh man. There, look, that's Captain Reed. He's trying to get a pop. I got something here, but I want you to see my sandwich. Look at that baby. Yeah.